So the first one I'm going to show you is how to do this single figure 8 braid. You can actually section it off wherever you want to, but I'm going to section it off starting at her temples and smoothing it out. And then I'm going to divide this into 2 strands, strand 1 and strand 2. I'm going to grab from strand 2 just a little piece, and that's going to become strand 3. So you have strand 1, strand 2, and strand 3. So you start out by having strand 3 go under strand 2 and then over strand 1. Then you're going to grab just a little piece from the hair that's left out and add that to strand 3. Then you're going to put that back under strand 1 and then back over strand 2. Now we're going to grab another little section off of the hair that's left out and add that to strand 3 and then go back under strand 2 and then back over strand 1. So the only hair that you're going to be adding to is strand 3. You won't be adding to strand 2 or strand 1. They're just the anchor pieces. So again, the smaller little pieces that you add to it, the better it looks. Add to strand 3, go under strand 2, and then go back over strand 1. You continue this all the way down. You can use whatever you want to end it, but I used my Invisibobble because she does have a lot of hair. Now I'm going to show you how to do it the second way. This one is a little bit different. I already started by doing one, kind of show you what it looked like, but I sectioned it off. And I put her remaining hair to the side in a ponytail so it's out of the way. So just like the last braid, I'm going to grab a little section. I'm going to split it into 2 pieces. And then I'm going to grab a section from the pair that's left out. So we'll have strand 1, strand 2, and strand 3. Strand 1 goes under strand 2, and then over strand 3, back under strand 3. So then now we're reordering it, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to have her hold strand 3. I'm going to add to strand 2. And then strand 2 is going to go over strand 1, back under strand 1. And then I'm going to have her hold. Now I'm going to add another little piece to strand 2, and then I'm going to go over strand 3, under strand 3, and have her hold strand 3. Then I'm going to add another piece to strand 2, back over strand 1, under strand 1, and then have her hold strand 1 again. I'm going to grab a little bit more hair, add to strand 2, and then go over strand 3, under strand 3, and then have her hold strand 3. And then I continue this all the way down. Now whenever I get done and run out of hair, I grab all of the strands and I put an elastic in it. And if you want it to be a little bit fuller, you can kind of pull on the hair and make it a little bit more loose. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe below.